Hello beautiful beaders, welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be showing you how to finish off this custom Kenyan bracelet. So let's get started. Using the fishing line facing upwards, pick one black bead. Then pass the fishing line through the black bead on the side. Again, pick one black bead. Then crisscross. Pass both fishing lines through the next white and black beads. We are done with the first part. We are going to pick again another black bead. So we're just going to finish off using the black bead. We're going to do the same thing and crisscross. Then pass both fishing lines through the next beads. Again, pick one black bead. Again, pick one black bead, then crisscross. Pass both fishing lines through the next red and black beads. Using the fishing line on your right, pick one black bead. Then crisscross. Pass both fishing lines through the next white and black beads. Pick one black bead, then crisscross. Pass both fishing lines through the next green and black beads. We are finally done. So pick one black bead, then crisscross. As you can see, we've tied it off and it looks neat. So go ahead and pass the remaining fishing line through the other beads. Make sure you check out this pattern at beadcentric.gumroad.com.